so glad I brought my kids to Children's Fest. We love the bubbles. It's a perfect day. It's windy and the bubbles are going everywhere and they're so big.
Our third year at the Children's Festival, and it is an absolute blast each and every time. We love being able to share Zumba kids and keep the kids moving and active in that way. So as you can see, it's a little bit of rain, but it's not stopping us. Thank you so much for another great year.
We're out here in Norfolk Waterside, Town Point Park, 2023. We're bringing Lego to the kids, introducing them to new styles of building, and it was just a fun time.
It's great to have Norfolk Public Schools out here to promote education and excellence for all. Our students are here doing our amazing STEM activities. Come on out and see the robotics, our chalk walk.
It's great to have the sensory activation zone out here, especially at a place like this with a lot of crowd, people, noise. It can get pretty overwhelming, so it's good for the parents and for the kids to be able to come place peaceful and quiet to hang out.
The Virginia Children's Festival, one of the highlights of the year for the hurrah players. No better place to be if you love princesses, adventure, and all the children's activities they offer today.
I kind of want to go back to the bubbles, honestly. So can we? Can we go back to the bubbles?